Hi guys! Welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. Welcome to another drawing tutorial. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and of course leave your comments below with ideas you'd like me to draw. Here's what we're going to need. Pencils. Any type of pencil will do. Black marker, an eraser, and paper or drawing pad. Are you ready? Grab your pencil. First, you're going to draw a large circle. Draw a line down the middle of the circle, then draw a line from side to side. Now draw two small circles that will be the tiger's ears. Then draw a curved line to connect the ears to the head. Draw the inside of the ear with an upside down U. Do this on both sides. To make the ear fluff, draw a small crown shape inside each ear. Connect these two shapes. The tiger's nose is a small line and another U-shaped line. And now add the nostrils. Time to draw the eyes. Continue the nose by drawing a line upward and then curve it into an eyebrow. Do this on both sides. I want to make my tiger smile. I think it looks like a giant cheese puff. Don't forget the teeth. Simply draw a few V shapes. Since he's smiling, you'll need to make sure that his eyes are smiling also. To do that, draw a curve under each eye. Now it's time for the stripes. I like to draw lines first to make sure they are in the correct position. Then I draw lines around them. Do this on the forehead and both cheeks. It will help make sure that your stripes are even on both sides. Your tiger is so cute. But wait, we need something else. I know. A strawberry. Draw a circle on top of his head. Since this is strawberry, you need to make sure to add a point to the top. Now add the strawberry leaves with a simple zigzag line. Add raindrop shapes for the strawberry seeds. Excellent! Still not done. I've got it. Chocolate sauce. Draw a curvy line, and then you have chocolate sauce. That's great! But we still need something else. Our tiger is hungry. Let's draw a tongue. He's really hungry, so he's drooling. Looks wonderful. I love it. It's so cute. Now go ahead and start inking. This is my favorite part. It makes all your hard work more permanent. Just keep tracing your pencil lines until everything is done. Adding your initials and the date is a great way to personalize your drawing. Wonderful! Give the ink some time to dry, and then erase the pencil marks. This is so cute! I love our strawberry chocolate tiger. Don't forget to subscribe like this video, and comment below. You keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!